tools needed for this install is a ratchet with an extension, 10mm socket, Phillips screwdriver, some pliers, wire crimpers, wire cutter, plastic panel popper, T-tap connectors, and a multimeter. Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today I'll show you how to install Spyder headlights on a 2009 to 14 Ford F-150. So let's get started and pop the hood open. First things first, we need to set this weather guard to the side. So using your Phillips screwdriver, we're gonna loosen this plastic Phillips screw here, and we'll be able to pull off this retainer clip and set our weather guard to the side. So just loosen it and set our weather guard to the side. Next, using your 10mm socket, we're gonna remove 3 bolts, 1 here on the side and 2 on the top. After removing the 3 bolts, we're ready to unseat the headlight. So behind the headlight, there's a clip mounted into the fender. So you're gonna grab your headlight firmly and we're gonna gently tug it straight forward. So from here, we're gonna unseat the side marker socket. So turn it counterclockwise to disconnect it. Here's the high beam and low beam connector. Press down on the tab and disconnect. And down here is your parking and turn signal connector. Go ahead and press down on the tab and carefully disconnect it. And after tapping into your positive turn signal wire, we're ready to install our Spyder headlight. So we'll turn it over to the back. Go ahead and grab your turn signal connectors. Go ahead and plug that in. Make sure it's secure. Go ahead and grab your yellow positive wire on your headlight to power the switchback turn signal. Go ahead and plug that in. Plug it into your positive turn signal wire. Go ahead and grab your high beam and low beam connectors. Plug that in. Make sure it's secure. Grab your side marker socket. Check the rubber gasket seal. Make sure it's intact to prevent any moisture. Go ahead and install that into your headlight assembly. Turn it clockwise to lock it in place. So on your headlight, we have 2 guide pins here, along with 2 clips. Go ahead and line it up to the holes and carefully pop it in place. Next, reinstall your 3 10mm bolts. After that, reinstall your weather guard, tying down your Phillips screw. Now that we're finished installing our driver's side headlight, let's repeat the same process to the passenger side. Now that we have our headlights installed, let's close the hood and test all the headlight functions.